Settlement price is 116,435 minus. I opened my position at one. What was it? 166 times 125,000 times 160 contracts. So today I lost $33,000. Okay. So my margin account went down to uh, 640. So I have only $607,000 left in my account. That's above the maintenance margin. So I'm not going to get a margin call. Okay. Here's the nice thing about daily settlements. For next day, position open price, unless I added, new positions, is equal to prior day's settlement price. Effectively, what the exchange does, okay, you open 160 contracts of long position at 1.166. At the end of the day, I close that for you at 116,435. You lost money, 33,000. I took that out of your margin position. And now I'm going to reopen your position. You're going to be long again on the 60 contracts, but this time your open price is going to be 116,435. So let's figure out as of the prices now where we are now. I mean, the market hasn't closed yet, so we don't know what settlement price is yet. But let's take that as the last price. Current price is 1.16785. So relative to my new position open price, did I make money or lose money? I made money. I mean, today, dollar euro went up quite a bit because there is an expectation that jobs numbers are going to be a little bit low, which is going to increase the likelihood of interest rate cuts. Hence, euro is going to gain value against US dollar. Whatever the reason is, value of euro increased quite a bit. So if the market were to close at this price, what is the daily P&L? Well, current price is 1.16785 minus yesterday's settlement, which was 1.16435 times 125,000 times 160. I actually made $70,000 today. What is my margin account at the end of the day? Exactly. Yesterday's closed 607 plus 70,000. That's actually above the initial margin requirement. If you want, you can withdraw $37,000. Initial margin is the minimum amount, maximum amount uh, you can keep without getting any margin calls or anything. The reason you want to do that, I mean, I didn't do it for now, but uh, that margin account is like a short-term savings account. It actually earns the Fed funds rate. Okay? Technically speaking, this is not too important, but earns the low end of the, not low end, Fed funds rate. We can actually find that numbers. New York Fed publishes that number every day, the so-called effective federal funds rate. Come on. Yesterday, that number was 433. It's typically 8 or 9 basis points above the low end of the Fed target rate, which is currently 425 to 450. All right. Effective funds rate, or so today, let me copy and paste this so that I get the formatting right. Times 1 plus 4.33% divided by 365. So I'm going to earn about $72 overnight interest rate. The reason you want to get the extra, more often than not, you can earn higher interest rates using your own bank. You know, if I'm a brokerage firm, brokerage firms typically, or investment banks, they charge these margins to their clients, but they combine everything and put the money in there. They can earn a lot higher on those overnights compared to effective Fed funds rate. But assuming that we didn't withdraw, it would stay at 677, and it's going to earn one more day worth of interest, and we'll look at it tomorrow. So every day it goes on like this. So if there are big price movements, exchange basically says if you lost money, basically pay for that loss, But later on, if you make money, I'm going to pay you back. In this case, first day I lost 33, but the next day I made 70,000. So my 2-day P&L is actually 43,000. Okay, no, 37,000 plus any interest. That's kind of the way things work. Uh, as I said when we first started these things, you can have a computer program manage these positions. It's not like the old days. They can send banking instructions depending upon where prices are. You don't even need to worry about somebody actually doing these things. Now, suppose my $20 million position, 20 million euro position is the earliest that is due is in December.